what is the difference between context engineering and RAG? So RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, is one technique of retrieving the right information and bringing it into the prompt, or essentially into the input that goes into the LLM. But it's one of many techniques that you can use when you do context engineering. Just a very simple technique will be to just take all your documents and just stuff them into the prompt. That's context stuffing. Another technique could be using agentic search. So giving the LLM tools that enable it to search, for example, like using grep for coding use cases. And there are many such techniques that help the LLM and help the developer that is building the system to engineer the context to be the right context that would produce the highest quality output. RAG is one of those techniques, and I think it's an important technique. If used correctly, it's very, very helpful in many cases, but it's only one of the many techniques that are available. There are inherent problems of many AI agentic systems today when it comes to context engineering.